Hi, I'm Jonathan and welcome to episode 23 of the standard What's in Your Box training series. While electrification has been making the most headlines recently, something else started about 15 years ago that's been changing the landscape of the parts we sell. I'm talking, of course, about advanced ICE technologies. These are multiple ways that car makers have improved fuel economy and reduced emissions on gasoline engines. Let's dive in. Advanced ICE technologies isn't just one thing, and different car makers have taken different approaches to improving the efficiency of gasoline engines. Let's take a look at how Ford has adopted advanced ICE technologies to their truck engines. In 2008, the most popular engine in the F-150 was a 4.6-liter V8 with single overhead cams and multi-port fuel injection. It made around 248 horsepower and got around 19 miles a gallon on the highway. Just a few years later, this was essentially replaced by the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. This smaller displacement engine featured variable valve timing, 2 turbochargers, and direct injection. The next generation of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost incorporated both MFI and GDI injection to help reduce carbon buildup on the intake and help smooth out the entire power curve. These trucks make almost 400 horsepower while getting around 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Just to recap, the F-150 still uses a gasoline engine, but it now has 2 turbochargers, additional oil lines for them, components to support variable valve timing like cam phasers and VVT solenoids, 12 fuel injectors, and the additional high-pressure fuel pump and sensors required for gasoline direct injection. These additional components have created multiple opportunities for the aftermarket. General Motors has also worked to improve the efficiency of the engines in their trucks, but they have taken a very different path. GM has remained committed to the 5.3-liter V8 and cylinder deactivation, but the engine has seen a few major updates. In 2014, it transitioned from MFI to GDI. Here's a quick tip. When you're recommending injectors for these engines, always confirm the flow code on the original injector. GM used different flow rates on these. Standard offers the correct replacements, but it's important to confirm the number on the side of the injector. In 2019, GM introduced dynamic fuel management on the 5.3. This is an advanced form of cylinder deactivation, which allows the engine to operate in 17 different cylinder patterns to optimize fuel economy and performance. In 2019, GM also added a 2.7-liter turbocharged 310 horsepower 4-cylinder to its full-size truck lineup. In addition to turbocharging, this engine also features gasoline direct injection, variable valve timing, and cylinder deactivation. Advanced ICE technologies have created multiple new and growing categories for our industry. As the most trusted name in engine management and vehicle control, Standard has you covered. From complete, all-new turbocharger kits, sensors, to variable valve timing components, to cylinder deactivation solenoids, and everything required to keep GDI systems operating as designed, like injectors, high-pressure fuel pumps, fuel feed lines, high-pressure fuel sensors, and more. Advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, in-lab and on-vehicle testing, industry-leading coverage in the aftermarket's newest categories and sales support. That's what's in our box. What's in your box?